how you can add the extra layer of security on your selected chats. Now, before we start, if you are new to this channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Now, let us start. First things first, you need to just update your WhatsApp to its latest version. So go to your app store and search for WhatsApp. And after you search for WhatsApp, just check it out if it's up to date, if it's not updated. And after you've updated it, just open it up. Now, after you open it up, what you'll have to do is just go to your chats and select the chat that you want to, put the secret layer of security. That is how you can lock it. Now I'm just going to do this group right here. Just open it up and tap on the top button that is on the group's name, and after you do that, just scroll down till you see the option that says lock chat. Now lock it down, you will have to use your Face ID, and after you've locked it, you can see on your initial page that says lock chats. Now nobody else can use this lock chats folder because no one will be able to use your Face ID except you. So just tap on it, and after your Face ID is done, you will be able to see all of your locked chats. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you lock your chats. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.